Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a very small vlog. So I came here to start this vlog because I am currently in front of my eyes. I have a lot of certificates and some photographs of my husband when he was in his school. So I'll show you some of it. Wait. As you can see, we have this photograph of the cricketers, and on back of it we have the autographs of each and every player. यहाँ पे सचिन तेंदुलकर का भी है. Okay, so in quite a few newspapers, Christie's team has been come up with like trophies. So as you can see, this is their school, and this is Christie. Very cute. That was one. दिस इज़ द अदर न्यूज़पेपर. यहाँ पे भी इधर है क्रिस्टी. यहाँ पे इधर है क्रिस्टी. दिस इज़ माई हस्बैंड इन द स्कूल, and this is how he used to look as a teenager. This is when I met you, Hana Christy. Yeah, see, he has gotten golden boots, maximum goals and all. Oh my god,
Golden
best
ball.
player. Footy mania.
The fear of every.
So this is his hall ticket for his board exams. Oh my god. This is a one photograph where we have to go to a camp in Aurangabad. It's like every school goes here from the Ryan organization. So even I have a photograph of for this camping where we went, but I can't see. Oh, I saw. This is Christy. She's Grace Pinto, our managing director. I think your school and my school weren't together. We went different. I think I was there with some other school. Maybe Zen Xavier's or something. No? With you only. Oh my god. Then in the 10th standard, when we were in 10th standard camping, we were in the same room while we were camping and all. But we couldn't cross our paths at that time. I think तभी ही अपना destiny बन गया था. Okay, we have more newspapers.
RCB.
What is this?
St. Augustine win the title at All India Goa. It was held in Goa.
Oh, you went to Goa and all.
Yavatmal,
Here you
Goa.
are. This is you, right?
Yeah.
How are you like this? Like you were not thin like other players.
No.
See now.
Win titles for Augustine.
Again, one more newspaper, but I can't see you in either of the photos. Okay, this is Christy then. There are so many newspapers. I have saved all of these. I didn't knew. I wanted to show you like a small West Side haul because I went to West Side the other day because it was like New Year's, and they had a very exciting sale running on, and it's very rare that you get a sale in West Side with like good options. So this is the first top which I got from West Side. It's a little bit loose for me on the hands, or maybe it is like off shoulder. Yeah, it is off shoulder, but I like to wear it like this only. And the other thing I got is this skirt situation. It is like a very cute skirt. The only problem is that it's little bit loose for me. I got like a medium size, but I don't know, it's still a little bit loose, but I altered it. मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा stitches कर लिया. And yeah, this is how it's looking. Both of them paired together also looks okay. I mean, fine. So this is the second top which I got. This is also in size medium. Yeah, this is also a very cute crop top. This also is looking very good with this skirt. So this is the shorts which I was talking about. I like this very pretty powder blue color, and I think it's going pretty good with this top as well. Blue and white is always a good option. This is the dress which I got. It looks like denim, but it is not denim. It's like a very pretty cotton dress. थोड़ा loose है मुझे, and there is a very cute knot detailing at the back which I can't show you right now because the knot is not tied by me because घर पे कोई नहीं है. So that's that. I made a Simla mirch curry, like capsicum curry for Christy and for my in-laws. So They went to church right now. So after they come, and after Christy comes, I will have my dinner. I will show you in a minute how my curry looks like. Wait. Okay, so this is my capsicum curry. So it's looking somewhat weird because I think I like मैंने ना कर्ड डाला है ऊपर से. So there are little lumps of curd here and there. But yeah, that's that. Today is Thursday and basically Thursday के दिन मैं usually fast करती हूँ. मेरे जो दो friends हैं, Neha and Prajakta, now that I am in Kerala and they are in Mumbai, so we don't get to meet on birthdays and all of that because I shifted here obviously. So but on every birthday of mine they make sure to send me few gifts. So this time also they have sent me 2 gifts actually. So I want to show you what my gifts are, and it was so cute of them. Very thoughtful gift, I must say. This is what I was talking about. This is like a cute jewelry box because I tend to travel back and forth like from Mumbai to Kerala. ऐसा मेरा travel थोड़ा चलता रहता है. And please ignore, यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा box उल्टा कर दिया before showing you. तो ये earrings थोड़े इधर उधर हो गए. And they have customized it with my name. It's written as Jagruti. They also sent me this tripod, which is like a very unique tripod, I must say. So it has a like this light situation which runs on battery, and they also have a mic here. But the only problem is ये जो mic का attachment है, it is like this, and मेरा जो attachment है, it is like a C type, so I cannot use the mic. But I'm pretty happy with this light because can you see? Sorry, the camera got blur, but yeah, that's the point I was saying. This is the light. Hi guys, it's the next day and अभी घर पे तो कोई नहीं है. I am alone, so I have decided to treat myself with like pasta. So I have made myself pasta and I took a croissant here. So this is basically Britannia का croissant and मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कुछ launch हुआ है market में. So this is me trying the croissant for the first time, and उसके साथ ही में I am going to watch like a very cozy movie on Netflix जिसका नाम है The People We Meet on Vacation, if I'm not wrong. Sorry, I'm not looking very good now because that's just me when I'm at home. Vlogs होते ही उसी के लिए है so that you can see the raw and real self of me. Hi guys, so अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 11:30 and I did this full glam makeup with like smoky eye. So basically मैं एक वीडियो बना रही थी. I think before this video goes, I think that one will go. So you can check it out. मैं भी first time कर रही हूँ ये smoky eye. मैंने कभी नहीं किया है पहले. So I think for my first try it's not bad. Let me know in the comments. So whenever I'm closing my eyes it's getting watery. Yeah, अभी मुझे basically कुछ नहीं करना है. I invested like 1 hour, उससे भी ज़्यादा time to do this look, and now I'm just going to remove it and sleep. Probably I will edit that video and then I'll sleep. Let's see. Let me know in the comments if you liked my smoky eye. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Basically I have decided to cook myself like a very healthy lunch. So मेरा favorite lunch है to eat मूंग दाल खिचड़ी. So my mom used to make when I was in Mumbai. तो मैंने उनसे सीखा है. So basically it's like it will take only 10-15 minutes of your time to cook this, and it is super healthy because it has moong dal which is rich in protein, and little bit of vegetables, जैसा not vegetables as such but 1 onion and 1 tomato is what you need. I'm just alone, so I'm taking very small amount of onion and tomato, and also I need 2 chilies and a handful of garlic because I love garlic. So जो जितना मैं ज़्यादा डालूँ उतना मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. And my coriander of course. And बस turmeric और थोड़ा सा salt and all that things. So what you have to do is I'll share a quick recipe with you, but let me first close this window because बहुत सारा light का reflection आ रहा है. I took like half a cup of, not half, even less than that. I took a cup of this rice, half से भी कम, and उतना ही measure का मैंने मूंग दाल लिया है and इसको अच्छे से wash किया and उसको मैंने ऐसा सोक करने को रखा है for 10 to 15 minutes. By the time I am just cutting my vegetables, ये सोक होता रहेगा. You can take मूंग दाल and rice का जो ratio है same और you can take मूंग दाल थोड़ा कम and rice थोड़ा ज़्यादा, whatever you wish to like. So now I'm just going to cut onion and tomato, all of that, and then I'm going to quickly move on to the cooking part. Lunch is ready and I'm going to go in my room and have this delicious food that I have made for myself. So I like to make this omelette with just bullseye egg and add little bit of cheese on the top and like herbs. So this is my favorite lunch. Mm.